نحمده ونصلي على رسوله الكريم. سبحانك لا علم لنا إلا ما علمتنا إنك أنت العليم الحكيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Lesson 19a. In this lesson we will learn أنا وأنت in the Quran. First ayah. إنك أنت العليم الحكيم. Indeed you are the all-knowing, the all-wise. إنك, indeed you, أنت, you, al-alim, the all-knowing, al-hakim, the all-wise. Here, أنت meaning you. If you look, ka and anta are used together. Ka meaning you, anta meaning you. When ka and anta comes together, the meaning is, it gives more emphasis. Indeed you are. إنك أنت العليم الحكيم. Indeed you are the all-knowing, the all-wise. Ayah number 2. وَقُلْنَا يَا آدَمُ اسْكُنْ أَنْتَ وَزَوْجُكَ الْجَنَّةِ. And we said, O Adam, live you and your wife in paradise. And قُلْنَا, we said, يَا آدَمْ, O Adam, uskun, live, anta, you, وَزَوْجُكَ, and your wife, al-Jannah, the paradise. Here, anta meaning you. وَقُلْنَا يَا آدَمُ اسْكُنْ أَنْتَ وَزَوْجُكَ الْجَنَّةِ. And we said, O Adam, live you and your wife in paradise. Ayah number 3. قَالَ أَنَا يُوسُفُ وَهَذَا أَخِي. He said, I'm Yusuf and this is my brother. قَالَ, he said, أنا, I, Yusuf, وأن, هذا, this, أخي, my brother. Here, أنا is used for masculine, and the meaning is I. أنا meaning I. قال أنا يوسف وهذا أخي. He said, I'm Yusuf and this is my brother. Ayah number 4. قالت يا ويلتى أألد وأنا عجوز وهذا بعلي شيخا. She said, woe to me, shall I give birth while I am an old woman and this my husband is an old man. قالت, she said, يا ويلتى, woe to me, أألد, shall I give birth, وأنا, while I am عجوز, an old woman, وهذا, and this, بعلي, my husband, شيخا, an old man. Here, أنا meaning I, used for feminine. أنا عجوز, I am an old woman. قالت يا ويلتى أألد وأنا عجوز وهذا بعلي شيخا. She said, woe to me, shall I give birth while I am an old woman and this my husband is an old man. It is your time to study now. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us the ability to study. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala make it easy for us. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala accept this from us. And may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us the true understanding of Quran. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. And ring the bell for the upcoming videos. سبحان ربك رب العزة عما يصفون وسلام على المرسلين والحمد لله رب العالمين. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.